Recessed lighting is a good choice in many rooms, especially the kitchen. It goes with any decor, doesn't take up any space, and it can shine the light exactly where you need it. Retrofitting recessed lights into a finished room can make a big difference, but you'll want to work with a licensed electrician to make sure that it's done properly. The first step is to select fixtures that are specifically made for remodel applications. Make sure the housing fits in the ceiling bay, and if there's insulation in the ceiling, make sure the fixture is IC rated. There are many different types of fixtures, but most are either 4 or 6 inches in diameter, and they have a junction box for the wiring that's connected to the housing. Mark the location for the fixtures, being careful to avoid any existing wiring, pipes, and joists. Using a hole saw, cut the holes for each light. To catch the dust, you may want to use a vacuum cleaner or a special attachment for your drill. Perfect hole, no dust. Run power that's controlled by a wall switch to the first fixture, and then run new wiring between each light. Definitely easier than going up in the attic.
Definitely easier.
There it is. Make sure each wire has at least 12 to 18 inches of slack at each opening. Insert the wires into the junction box and use wire nuts to make the connections. First, connect the neutral wires, which are white. Then the hot wires, which are black.
The black will be our power wire or switched wire.
And finally, ground wires, which are bare copper. Carefully tuck the wires into the junction box and close the cover. Then slide the housing into the hole in the ceiling. Depending on your fixture, you'll either need to push or pull the remodel clips in the housing to secure it to the ceiling. Some recessed lights have fixtures that screw into the housing just like normal light bulbs. For others, you'll screw a light bulb or an LED lamp directly into the socket and then attach the final trim pieces. Adding recessed lights can make a big difference. Here we go. Wow! Without taking up as much space as surface-mounted fixtures, they can accent specific locations or provide consistent light across an entire room.